ay robotic mission success rate. So yung success rate is ilan yung percentage ng natapos niya o nakumpleto niya. So ang formula, ilan yung successful missions over yung total number of attempts. So ilan yung attempts at saka ilan yung success. I-divide mo yun 10 times 100%. Percentage yun. So kung meron kang 8 successful missions at yung total attempts mo ay 10 times 100, so 80% yung success rate mo. So maganda-ganda ng success rate yun kung success rate ang pag-uusapan. So yun yung maganda. Kasi isa yan sa metric ng maganda kaya kami robotic system is yung mission success rate. Kung ibig sabihin mas reliable yung iyong robotic system pagka mataas yung kanyang mission success rate. So yun lang po.